Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to another repair. Yeah, we've got a good one for you today. My customer has an iPhone 16 and she told me that she thinks her grandson tried to insert the lightning charger into it. Of course, the iPhone 16 has the Type-C charger, so yeah, that charge port is all mangled up, not working. We're gonna go and replace that for her. Thankfully, she's been able to charge her phone wirelessly, but it's not convenient. Not as ideal as being able to charge it through the charge port. And my customer asked me to meet her at Walmart in the parking lot so she can get some shopping done during the repair. You know, it's really the name of the game. Try to make this service as convenient as possible for my customers. Yeah, so if you're in need of cell phone repair or would just like to get a quote for how much it would cost to repair your broken device, give me a call or send me a text, 336-515-0018. Okay, here's the phone. iPhone 16 has a Type-C charging port. And yeah, it looks like something got in there and did some damage. Regardless of what it was, we're here to fix it. And that's exactly what we'll do. So stay tuned. Alright, I thought I'd give you a little before and after. This is the original port. You can see the damage there that it took, maybe from the wrong charger being inserted in. Not 100% sure. You can see some frame damage here, so gosh, it's still a mystery on what was the cause of this damage. But regardless, we have a new port installed, thoroughly tested the phone, everything works. So in my opinion, another great repair in the books. Alright, just finished up that iPhone 16 charge port replacement. Our customer was super happy about the results. She got her phone charging on the charging cable again. And man, I am enjoying this great weather. Got the window down a little bit. But you know what else is great? Getting a new subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit that button. That way you'll get a notification every time I drop a new video. And until next time, take care.